boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. It's Thursday, March the 2nd, second day in March 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call the cipher block, and this one you are interested, the binary puzzle number 6051. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 17 printed digits. 17. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now I think we need to go. Nope. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And between the ones comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow. This one is very quick to solve. No comparing. So I like this one, yes. We do. Well, quick to solve. If I can solve this, then you can solve this too. Alright, great. Thank you. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle for today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.